Greetings and salutations, Roger here. Let's talk motorcycle flat tire repair kit. A little while ago, I did a quick video showcasing the Kappa KS450 tubeless tire repair kit. You can see that video up here. During that video, I state I was going to modify underneath the seat of my Honda CB650F so I could store the kit here. Let's get right into it. I must admit, when I first thought of doing this, I thought there was going to be a lot less cutting than there was. At this point in time, I'm just trying to see what all I need to do. I started by cleaning up the wiring from when I installed the RNG LED turn signals. I didn't want the loose wires to get hooked on anything and pull out. I rerouted the right turn signal and used some electrical tape to clean it up. Once satisfied with that, I used some zip ties to hold all the wiring out of the way. And then I started cutting. This was awkward with my rotary tool. I couldn't get all the angles I wanted to. Let me also state, use extreme caution when cutting. The plastic under the seat is not super thick. This piece keeps the debris from your tire spraying under your seat. Along with the cutting disc, I also used some side cutters. I found this useful to take small pieces off. I did a few test fits. I need to cut some more. I also found the sanding tip to work well with the plastic. Plus it let me get some of the harder angles. It didn't take long and here we are. The tubeless tire repair kit fits. There's still some areas along the sides to fit some small items. Not enough for the toolkit, but I'll find something. I also mentioned in another video I will be packing a larger toolkit in my side luggage. I'll get around to making that video soon. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.